Let's go, baby. So just got back from Willow. Pretty good outing out there. Car pretty much lasted all day. Engine response was good. After the tune was really good. I was in pretty much third gear, ripping it around balcony, and then went out to what was the other track called? It's that circle track with like the dirt infield. I was out there. I'll include the videos. But everything was going well. Oh, and right before we left, my brother and I put hood pins in. Kind of utilized that as opposed to the hood latch that was there, so we took that off. But toward the end of the day, I was getting tired. Well, that's really no excuse. Kind of tapped the wall on the front half of the vehicle. So I'll include the video, but bruh. I was coming around like the greenhouse, and I didn't feel like the rear end was going to clear in my mind. Maybe I'm just not too comfortable yet. So I just slammed on the brake, pulled the hydro, and went into the concrete barrier. And I mean, I didn't show you the video, but I got Part Shop Max power braces on here. But it bent. You kind of see like right there, it bent and it's not lining up with the holes. I tried taking this back off and you kind of see where it's like where it used to be. So I got pushed back or pushed forward. So, and you kind of see some, I guess, small ripples in it, I guess, where it bent. So this wheel was pushed back toward the driver. It's not too bad. It just looks like that bent. Then I go up on this side after jacking up the car, and that sits like that. So I don't know if the bolt fell out or just whatever. I'm not sure there, but it's bent. You can kind of see it right there. So that bent. So I got to order some new, I think tension brackets, power brace, whatever you want to call them. Part Shop Max again, and get this thing back up and running. But other than that, I mean, the car handled perfectly fine. Did everything pretty well. Just need more seat time, getting more comfortable with the car, but overall, it was a good time. So also small detail, these are new inner and outer tie rods. I forgot to post that. They're GK Tech extended, with P2M outers. So they work pretty well. I had to cut maybe about an inch, maybe 3/4 inch off the tie rod itself when I was getting it aligned. So it all worked out well. So got those put on, which is kind of nice. So the other ones were bent, way bent, and it was crazy. The car actually handled a lot better with these on, which is really nice. So once I get the tension brackets back on, brand new, get this thing realigned and go from there. That's what happens when you can't stop and you tap a wall in the front end. Gotta love it.